Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amazat bin Khairul and my supervisor is Dr. Sandra. I'm making this video to share about my final year project. The title for my final year project is Molecular Detection of Megalocystis virus in Neotetra, or its scientific name is Paracharodon in the sea. Okay, let's move to the chapter 1 or introduction. People rearing ornamental fish as their hobby, and some individuals breed it for their source of income. Over 2,500 species are involved in the global ornamental fish industry, and most of them are from freshwater species. Currently, there are 623 ornamental fish exported in Malaysia, according to the Department of Fisheries in 2017. Move to the problem statement. Problem statement for this study is fish disease and mortalities related to the megalocystis virus cannot be avoided, and no study on the tetra has been done in Malaysia. And the last one is megalocystis virus is the causative agent of high mortality disease in a marine and freshwater fish. Objective for this study is to detect presence or absence of megalocystis virus in neon tetra. As you can see from figure 1.1, it is general structure of megalocystis virus. Move to the chapter 2 or literature review. Figure 2.1 shows us external morphology of neon tetra, and table 2.1 shows us taxonomy of neon tetra. Megalocystis virus is a DNA virus that discovered from Iridoviridae family. There are 5 genera in Iridoviridae family, and megalocystis virus is one of them. There are 3 major groups of megalocystis virus, which is ISKNV, RSIV, and TRBIV. For the method, there are several methods that I have done to complete the final year project. The first method is sampling, then sample processing, then DNA extraction, PCR analysis, gel electrophoresis, gel extraction, and DNA sequencing, and the last one is phylogenetic analysis. Move to the result and discussion. For the gross observation of the sample, no clinical sign were observed in all of the sample. The average body weight for the sample were 0.20 gram, and the average body length for the sample is 1.85 cm. As you can see from figure 4.1, show us about Neotetra that we collected from ornamental fish farm at Johor. This is a result that I've done for primary PCR analysis with the sample. For discussion from the study, megalocystis virus were absent in sample of Paracharodon in the sea that we collected from Johor. All of the sample did not show any clinical sign, internal and external. There was no band appear for each pool sample, including negative control. And usually, primary PCR did not show any band because it is less sensitive compared to the nested PCR. For the previous study, it has been reported that Neotetra is one of the carrier megalocystis virus reported by John et al. 2008. As you can see from the table, for the megalocystis virus in ornamental fish in Malaysia, this study showed that samples were found to be negative for the presence of megalocystis virus, contrary to the other report. Although there are no megalocystis virus in Neotetra species, but megalocystis virus has been recorded in ornamental fish in Malaysia. Most of the investigated sample was conducted in ornamental fish from freshwater species. As you can see from table 4.2, this is the species that were investigated from literature from Malaysia. Move to the conclusion. This study has proven that collected Neotetra sample were free from megalocystis virus infection by screening with primary PCR. Further study must be conducted to obtain more information on megalocystis virus in Neotetra to ensure Neotetra in Malaysia is free from megalocystis virus. The spread of infection megalocystis virus in fish should be reduced to minimize total loss for farmers because of fish mortality. Networking with any professional fish health is recommended for farmers. Move to this is my Gantt chart for finishing my final year project. This is a reference. And that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, everyone.